Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to access and use the brand new AI Mechanic feature on your YOUCANIC scanner. For now, as of me recording this, this feature is only available on our YOUCAN 2C Pro models, but it should be available for our older models soon. So to start, you're going to want to connect your BCI to your car, and go ahead and make sure that's connected. And then you're going to go into Diagnostic. Select your vehicle make. Select Diagnosis. And then instead of going to the Quick Scan mode, you're going to want to go to Control Modules. If you select Quick Scan to read all codes, the AI Mechanic feature will not be available. So select Control Modules and let's go into the engine. Select Engine Control and then select Read Codes. Now here on this screen, if you look all the way to the right, you see that little magnifying glass with the orange in the middle? It's a little bit hard to see, but in the middle it says AI. What you're going to do is you're going to click that, and it's going to open up a browser. And here it is. So when you press that AI button, it'll take you to our website on the scanner. As a workaround, as a temporary workaround, you can also use this feature to access the browser on your scanner if you ever need to look something up on the device. So here you can see the code, make, model, and then so here you'll see the code, the make, and a description of what that fault code is. And if you scroll further down, here we see some basic diagnostic steps, some likely causes, common tools, and usually it shows you possible fixes, but apparently not in this case. So here we can see on the top of the screen we have the code, the make of the car, and then a description of what that fault code is and what it means. Then we've got some diagnostic steps, some likely causes, and some safety issues for when you're doing that repair. If you want, you can select the more detail button, and the AI will generate some more information on the fault code that you've selected. And there you have it. Now you know how to access your AI Mechanic on your YOUCANIC scanner.